Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make a very simple and easy dish, that is paneer cutlets. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have some oil heating up in a pan. To that we'll add a pinch of jeera. To that we'll add some grated finely chopped garlic. We'll saute the garlic for about 30 seconds. After that we'll add some onions, finely chopped onions. Cook it for about a minute. After that we'll add some ginger paste and finely chopped chilies. You can add chilies according to your taste. A little bit of capsicum. You can add more if you like, or you can add more vegetables if you like as well. To that we'll add some salt to taste, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, roasted jeera powder and garam masala. We'll mix everything well and we'll cook this for about a minute. And we'll add some grated paneer. I've used 2 cups of paneer. Please make sure that you use fresh paneer. Do not use frozen. We'll mix everything well. And we'll add 1 boiled potato, which I've boiled earlier. Mix everything well and we'll let this cool down. We'll add some coriander leaves, mix it well and let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's cold, after that, meanwhile we'll make a paste. For that I've added some corn flour and all-purpose flour. Mix everything well with some salt and gradually add water and make a thin batter. Make sure it's lump free. This should be the consistency of your batter. So here we'll shape the cutlets. You can give any shape you like. I always prefer this shape when I'm making cutlets. Shape it up. So once it's ready, we need the paste and some breadcrumbs. Now this is fresh breadcrumbs. I've blended some bread and I've used that. So basically what you have to do is take a cutlet, dip it in the batter and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. You can use any breadcrumbs you like. Now this is ready. We are going to deep fry the cutlets. Deep fry the cutlets over medium heat until glorious golden brown. Make sure you do not reduce the flame here, otherwise the cutlets can break. So the heat should be medium to high heat because everything is cooked. We are just trying to make it crispy. So our cutlets are ready. You can serve this with ketchup, chutney or anything, any dip that you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.